Hey guys, good morning. Today we're going to install a keyless entry system on the 67 Fastback conversion. It's a classic keyless entry system, and it's a new kit that we got, and it looks like a very nice kit to install, so we want to show you the steps. I'm going to have Amanda show you all the parts and the kit that goes along with it, and walk you guys through it step by step to show you the install. So you ready to do it?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right.
Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what we have that comes in the box. It's a lot easier to explain when it's laid out on the table rather than in a car, so I'm just going to show you what we have. So first we have the brain. This mounts up under the dash and connects to this. I'll show you that later. Then these wires, you have the 12 volts, the ground, and this one's optional. You don't need to use it, but if you would like to add your parking lights, feel free to use this one. All the circuits have their own fusible links. Then we got the two wires. Each one goes to a different door. This one goes to the driver's side and the passenger side. The passenger one is longer. And then over here we have the door lock actuators. It also comes with these little clips. These are important to securely fasten it. So I'm going to show you guys how the actuator works. This is an old latch, an old door latch, just for demonstration. So basically, you're going to have this hole line up here with this other one, and this is going to be held between the door frame and this latch, which holds it in place. Then you're going to have this rod going in this hole. Now the thing about this is some of these already have a hole drilled in it and some do not. So if it doesn't have one pre-drilled, you will want to do that. It is in the instructions though, so just check on that first. So once this is in here, and the clip is going to be here as well, which holds it in place just like the factory clip does. For the clip part specifically, it's going to go into this hole right here. And then once you have it in, you place the rod inside and you sort of swing it down and it clips right on the rod right there. I'm not going to do that until we actually get it in the door, but that's the right idea. First step is installing the brain. We're going to put it in the inner kick panel lower cowl area, which is right in here. And you can kind of see this little space that we have right here. It's going to fit perfectly. And we'll just have that mounted in there. This is where we're going to be mounting the box, and now we're just going to start routing the wires through the dash. We had to drill a hole in the side of the door and the cowl in order to get the wires to go through, so now we're just routing them through. Installed the door lock plunger on this side. Just wanted to show you what it looks like installed. And here you can see the two wires that we're going to connect to the wires that we just ran. Now I'm going to connect these wires to the wires on the actuator. We're going to hook up the power and the ground. First is the ground, and we're going to hook it up to the steering column mount. Right now the steering column is not in place, but this is where it's going to go, and we're just putting this there now. Now we're connecting the positive side to constant hot. Alright, we got the system set up on the passenger side, so we're going to give it a quick test. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you enjoyed this content, give CV Classics a like and subscribe. I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope you guys help. I hope you guys. I didn't know what else to say. All right, I'm gonna try it last time.